What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you how to create a sketch illustration of Lucifer Morningstar. Now we're going to begin today's lesson by sketching a circle in the center of our page to define the size of the head. Let's start at the very top of our page. Just going to work around the left side, coming down towards the bottom, just using these short, choppy, loose lines. Now the circle doesn't have to be perfect because we'll eventually erase this out. Now from here, add a guideline coming down the center of that circle. Let's start at the very top in the middle. Just going to bring that line coming all the way down towards the bottom of our page. Let's add another guideline on the side of our circle, starting with the left, coming down. Now we're going to add another guideline going across the bottom of our circle from left to right. Now we want to leave a large gap in between the eyes. From that center point, let's step over towards the left, come straight down towards the bottom, and just extend that up a little bit along the top. Now we want to take that same distance over towards the right and do the same thing. Let's go to the inside corner of that eye line, draw a straight angle line going up and out towards the side. And then from the inside, we're going to step up, curve the eyelid going out. Now let's just bend that down towards the bottom corner, and then line that up on the right, go across, and then bend that down. Let's draw on the bottom of the eye, starting back over on the left. Just going to bend this down and then in towards that bottom line. Now you want to tuck the iris and pupil underneath the eyelid, starting back over on the left, and draw a half circle, going down and then up. And then from here we can come all the way down towards the bottom and just mark off the bottom edge of the nose with a straight line. Let's sketch a large circle in the center, coming down towards that line. Let's go to the side of our circle, sketch a line going up and out. Go up and just bend that in towards that center line. From the tip of the nose, let's step down, sketch a line going across. This will be a guide for the mouth. Now to locate the corners of the mouth, we're going to line up with the center of the eye, come down, just mark this off with a short line. Let's curl up the corners of the mouth. From this point, bend this out and then up towards that guideline. I'm going to shift the mouth going up a little bit higher on the right. Let's add in the lower lip, starting back over on the left, bend this down in the middle, and then back up. Now I'm going to come all the way down towards the bottom and just sketch out a line for the chin. Let's go to the side of that eye line, curve this down and in towards the jaw. Then we'll round up the jaw and come down and in towards the bottom of the chin. Let's go back to the side of the nose and add a fold, going out and then down towards the corners of the mouth. Just a light curve. Now because we're tilting the head forward, we're going to raise the ears up a little bit higher. So let's start at the very top left. Sketch a short line going across on both sides. Come down towards that center line. And we'll bend the ears coming back in towards the side of the head. Now from here we're going to draw the edge of the hairline. Let's start from the inside of the ear, curve this up, and then in around the eyes. From the inside, draw a straight line going all the way up towards the top of our circle. Let's find the center of our circle right here. Just mark this off. I'm going to bend the hairline going up and out towards the left, and then the right. Now we want to add a little bit of volume around the side of the head. Let's start on top of the left ear, angle this up and out. Now on the left, we're just going to bend this up, going around the circle. Just bring that down on top of the head on the right side. Let's separate the hair with a curve going out and then down. Now let's go back down and draw the side of the neck. From the jaw, we'll step in, sketch 2 lines coming down. From the top of the neck, step down, curve the collar of the shirt, coming down and in towards the middle. And then going back to the top of the collar, we're going to slope the shoulders, coming down and then out towards the side. Now that we have a rough sketch in place, we're going to go back in with the tip of our pencil and start refining the shape of the facial features, starting with the eyebrow. Just working our way around and then down. And just add some thickness along the top. And we'll just darken up the inside of the eyebrow. And we'll do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to work our way around the eyes, starting with the eyelid. Trace the outside of the iris. Just adding a small highlight along the top. Darken up the center of the pupil. And we'll shade the iris, starting off dark along the top and then blending that down. I'm just going around that highlight. Now I can go back and just lightly erase some of those guidelines. And from here, just going to continue to work our way down towards the mouth. Just adding a little bit of shape to that center edge. And darkening up the upper lip. adding a little bit of shadow just underneath the nose. And I'm going to move out and start adding some shape to the outside of the head. I'm just adding a darker shadow on the left side. I'm going to create a shadow on the left side of the head, just leaving a little bit of a highlight along the outside edge. Just blending that down towards the jaw, and we'll just blend that in. I'm just going to use the side edge of my pencil to add some volume and darkness to the hair. So we'll start along the side. And we'll go back and add a shadow on the right side of the head. And we'll fade that in. Going back and just working with the curve of the hair, starting along the hairline, and just pulling this up and out towards the left. And from the outside, we'll work our way in. using the tip of our pencil, we can add some more texture inside the hair. I'm going to add a dark shadow underneath the head, cast over towards the left side. We'll start over here, just bring that shadow coming down, and we'll blend that out towards the side and the center. And once I finish cleaning up my drawing, I'll be sure to sign my artwork, and that's pretty much it. There's a sketch illustration of Lucifer Morningstar. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your requests in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.